Every day feels like a slow climb. You wake up tired, move through the day like you're underwater, and by afternoon, even simple tasks feel impossible. If you're a senior constantly wondering, why do I have no energy anymore? You're not alone, and you're definitely not lazy. There's usually a reason your energy's gone missing, and more importantly, there are real simple ways to get it back. In this video, we're going to uncover what might be draining your energy and share 10 practical, powerful things you can start doing today to feel more alive, more awake, and more like yourself again. This isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. Check for nutrient deficiencies. One of the most overlooked reasons seniors feel constantly tired is hidden nutrient deficiencies, especially vitamin B12, vitamin D, and iron. As we age, the body doesn't absorb nutrients as efficiently, even if we're eating normally. B12 is essential for energy and brain function. Without enough, you might feel foggy, weak, or depressed. Vitamin D, our sunshine vitamin, is crucial for bones, immune health, and mood. And iron helps carry oxygen in your blood, so a deficiency can leave you breathless and exhausted. The problem is, these deficiencies can sneak up gradually, and many seniors assume it's just getting older. It's not. A simple blood test can reveal what your body is missing. The fix might be as easy as a supplement, dietary tweak, or a doctor-approved injection. You deserve to feel energized, not drained. So if fatigue is your daily companion, start by checking what your body might be missing. 2. Improve sleep quality. You might be in bed for 8 hours, but are you actually resting? For many seniors, poor sleep quality, not just quantity, is a major energy thief. As we get older, we spend less time in deep restorative sleep and more time tossing, turning, or waking up throughout the night. Health issues, medications, nighttime trips to the bathroom, or even too much daytime napping can all interfere with the sleep cycle. And when deep sleep is missing, so is your energy. But improving sleep doesn't have to mean sleeping pills. Creating a calming nighttime routine, keeping a consistent bedtime, limiting screen time and caffeine late in the day, and getting some sunlight in the morning can help reset your natural sleep rhythm. Sometimes a small change, like a darker room or cutting back on naps, can make a big difference. Better sleep isn't a luxury, it's your energy foundation. Protect it. 3. Stay hydrated. It sounds too simple, but dehydration is one of the sneakiest reasons for constant fatigue, especially in seniors. As we age, our sense of thirst dulls. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already low on fluids, and without enough water, your body struggles to carry nutrients, flush out toxins, and regulate temperature, all of which affect your energy. Even mild dehydration can leave you feeling dizzy, weak, or mentally foggy. The fix? Sip water regularly throughout the day, not just with meals. Add slices of lemon or cucumber if plain water doesn't appeal to you. And don't forget about hydrating foods, like watermelon, oranges, or soups. Some seniors also benefit from a small boost of electrolytes, especially during hot weather or after light exercise. Energy doesn't always come from caffeine or sugar. Sometimes it starts with something as basic and powerful as water. Don't underestimate it. 4. Light daily movement. When you're tired, the last thing you might want to do is move, but gentle, consistent activity is one of the best ways to gain energy, not lose it. Our bodies are designed to move, and when we don't, everything slows down. Circulation, metabolism, even mood. For seniors, just 15 to 30 minutes of light movement daily can make a noticeable difference. Walking around the block, stretching in the living room, or trying Tai Chi or chair yoga all help get blood flowing, reduce stiffness, and release feel-good hormones like endorphins. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment, just a comfortable pair of shoes and the will to start. Regular movement also improves balance and reduces the risk of falls, which can drain confidence and independence. Energy builds with use, not with rest alone. Start small, go at your own pace, and let your body wake up again. 5. Limit sugar and refined carbs. That mid-morning muffin or sweet cup of tea might feel like it gives you a quick boost, but it's a trap. Sugar and refined carbs offer fast energy spikes, followed by even faster crashes. These crashes leave you feeling more tired than before, and over time, they can mess with blood sugar stability and even contribute to type 2 diabetes. Many seniors don't realize how sensitive the body becomes to sugar as we age. Instead of relying on sweets or processed snacks, focus on foods that release energy slowly: whole grains, nuts, vegetables, and lean proteins. Pairing protein with fiber helps keep blood sugar steady and energy consistent. You don't have to eliminate treats entirely, but make them the exception, not the routine. The more you reduce the sugar roller coaster, the more balanced your energy will feel throughout the day. A calm, steady body feels so much better than one constantly crashing. 6. Social interaction and mental engagement. Fatigue isn't just physical, it's emotional and mental too. Loneliness, boredom, and a lack of stimulation can weigh just as heavily on your energy as poor diet or bad sleep. For many seniors, retirement or losing loved ones leads to isolation, which can quietly drain motivation and vitality. But human connection is powerful medicine. A simple phone call, chatting with neighbors, joining a local group, or even volunteering can reignite your mental spark. Staying mentally active, through reading, puzzles, games, or learning something new, keeps your brain sharp and your mood uplifted. You don't need constant socializing. Just a little interaction regularly can boost energy, reduce depression, and bring purpose back to your day. When your heart and mind are engaged, your body often follows. Sometimes the most energizing thing isn't a nap, it's laughter, conversation, and connection. 7. Manage medications. Many seniors take multiple medications daily, and while they're prescribed to help, some can quietly drain your energy. Fatigue is a common side effect of various drugs, especially those for blood pressure, pain, anxiety, depression, or allergies. When multiple prescriptions interact, they can amplify this effect, leaving you groggy or weak without realizing why. If you've noticed a drop in your energy after starting a new medication, or if you're feeling persistently tired, don't ignore it. Bring it up with your doctor or pharmacist. Sometimes a simple change in dosage or switching to a different medication can bring your energy back. Never stop a medication on your own, but always advocate for how you feel. Your daily energy matters just as much as managing your symptoms. Your treatment plan should support your life, not drain it. The right medication management can help you feel more like yourself again. 8. Keep a routine. Your body thrives on rhythm. Without a daily routine, it's easy for energy levels to swing wildly. Some days dragging, others anxious and scattered. A predictable schedule helps regulate your internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm, which influences sleep, digestion, and even mental clarity. For seniors, especially those who are retired, days can start to blur together. But setting simple anchors, like waking up at the same time, eating meals on a regular schedule, and planning light activity or rest periods, can restore a sense of structure and stability. A consistent routine helps your body know when to be alert and when to wind down. It reduces the energy wasted on constant decision-making and helps the brain stay focused. Even if your schedule is gentle and flexible, having one at all gives your body the signal it needs. It's safe, it's steady, and it's time to function at your best. 9. Reduce stress and anxiety. Stress doesn't always show up as panic or worry. Sometimes it quietly wears you down day after day, leaving you exhausted without knowing why. Chronic stress triggers the body's fight or flight response, flooding your system with cortisol and adrenaline. Over time, this constant pressure burns out your energy reserves, disrupts sleep, and weakens the immune system. Seniors often carry hidden stress, financial concerns, health worries, grief, or the adjustment to retirement and aging. The key is to recognize and manage it before it turns into chronic fatigue. Deep breathing exercises, gentle meditation, prayer, light journaling, or even just talking with a trusted friend can reduce the mental weight you're carrying. And remember, asking for help isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Your peace of mind is just as important as your physical health. When your inner world feels calmer, your body has the energy to focus on what truly matters: living well. 10. Regular health screenings. Sometimes, low energy is your body's way of whispering that something deeper needs attention. Underlying conditions like thyroid issues, heart disease, diabetes, or even sleep apnea can quietly drain your vitality without dramatic symptoms. That's why regular health screenings are so important, especially as you age. Many seniors avoid checkups because they feel fine, but fatigue alone can be an early warning sign. A simple blood test or diagnostic scan can catch problems early, often before they become serious. Treating these issues can restore not just your health, but your quality of life. Don't wait for things to get worse before taking action. Your body is speaking. Listen to it. Partner with your healthcare provider to get the full picture, not just a piece of it. Feeling tired all the time isn't something you have to accept. Sometimes, the answer lies in getting checked and getting ahead of the problem. Low energy isn't just part of getting older. It's a signal that something can change. Whether it's your sleep, nutrition, movement, or mindset, small daily actions can lead to powerful results. You deserve to feel strong, clear, and alive, not just exist through the day. Don't ignore the signs your body is giving you. Take them seriously, but know this: you're not helpless. You have wisdom, resilience, and the ability to make shifts, no matter your age. Start with one change, then another. Energy isn't about doing more, it's about living better. And every step you take is a step toward a fuller, more vibrant life. If this video helped you, leave a comment below and share your own tips or questions. And if you know someone who needs to hear this message, don't keep it to yourself. Pass it on. You've got more life to live. Let's make it count.